What's up, guys? It's Desert Bug Out and I'm back with another video. This time it's going to be the GoatGuns. This one's the M4. It's got the M203 grenade launcher on it. This one I put the larger holographic sight. It's got the original stock that comes with the original M4. It's got the I think it's called a slip mag, but it's like a PMag looking magazine. Pretty cool. Little rounds. You can pull the trigger. You can pull the grenade launcher trigger. Move the little safety. It's all metal and it's pretty cool. Now this color isn't available. I painted this, and I don't know. I think it came out pretty cool. The green paint. It's like a lighter green. But yeah. So what I wanted to show you guys is really what I wanted to show you guys is this M203, how to put it on and off. But yeah, pretty cool. I'll show you guys a little bit on, you know, what's removable on this thing. So again, this I added. This is added. Now it comes with a standard, you know, magazine, but you know, you can buy these separate accessories on the GoatGuns website. And I'll show you basic. I got videos on these M4, so I'll just show you a quick little basic functionality. You can move this. You can adjust the stock. It's got, I think, 3 different little positions. You can pull the what is that called? The charging handle. And the dust cover opens. Mag release works. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see through. It's got a little plastic or clear window. You can take the muzzle brake off, and the original M4 from GoatGuns comes with a little suppressor too, that you can change this out for the suppressor. You can open the grenade launcher. It's got a little mini grenade in it too. Comes with it. And okay, so check this out. You can pull this off. The holographic sight. You can pull this off right here with the little switch. Pull the mag out. Now the grenade launcher, it's got these 2 little screws right here. This is what holds it in the front, and this piece right here holds the back. So I'll show you. It's pretty solid. This whole thing is metal. Everything on here is metal. Pull this little piece off, and then you pull that off. Kind of goes on just like the rails do. And then you can take the rails off. The barrel can come off with this screw. You can buy short barrels on their website too. There's the barrel. Now just keep in mind the short barrel doesn't come with that front sight. It's just a straight barrel, which is pretty cool. But check out Gun Inc. Designs. He has a little hack or a little mod on where you can shorten this barrel and still have the sight. There you go. And then you can actually, let's see if this thing's small enough. don't think it's small enough. Let me see. So you don't necessarily have to unscrew it all the way. Just get it to the point where you can. Oop. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the spring. There's a spring that goes right here. That bad boy will pop out on you. You see? But if you pull the spring out, you can pull this out. Open it up. Got the upper. Got the lower. And you can unscrew these and completely detach it if you want. But yeah, so I guess this is kind of a little teardown video of the GoatGuns M4 with the grenade launcher, large holographic sight, little PMag, and custom painted green, flat green. Pretty cool. But anyways, yeah, so you know, I just wanted to do a quick little video on tearing it down all the way. Don't forget to, if you open this little piece is gonna come out. So keep that in mind when you open it, so that you don't lose it. And don't forget to put it back on when you put it back together. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can take the trigger out and stuff. That's what I did. I took everything out before I painted it. But yeah, so you know, that's my video. If you like my video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, tell your friends. Follow me on Instagram at Desert Bug Out for more for just, you know, pictures of my little arsenal. And stay tuned for more videos. And thanks for watching. And thanks for all of you guys' engagement. I really love all the comments, so keep it coming. Gives me motivation. All right, peace.